Hey mechanic chicks, today we've got a single cylinder Briggs & Stratton engine. This is an Intek that we've had to crack open because it's got a slow to start condition. So what's happening, if the valves are in good shape up here, then the automatic compression release is not working on the camshaft. So I'll show you what it looks like broken. And this is what it looks like in pieces. Oh, let's get the focus going on. There we are. So this is the top part and this is the main part of it. What it's supposed to look like when it's actually on the camshaft is like this. And its job is to release just a tad bit of the compression when you are cranking on it at slow RPMs so that it doesn't tear up the starter, or, you know, these all have electric start, but theoretically it could also be your arm. So this is a Briggs & Stratton feature. It's called the Easy Start system. It's run by centrifugal force, so at low RPMs it will come out and engage, and at high RPMs it doesn't. So a lot of people that have a hard to start when it is only starting, and then when it runs perfectly fine and does the same thing when they're trying to start again. This is most likely the culprit if the valves are in good shape. So what we have to do here, this is the hole on the camshaft where the ACR was before, but since it's not there anymore, there's a hole here. So we're going to line up the timing marks here. We're going to actually replace the tappets as well, which are right here. And those tappets are what these knobs push on. These knobs right here push on these tappets, and the tappets push the rocker arms, and the rocker arms push the valves open and closed. So if you have an issue with a slow to start problem, but it runs fine if you can get it cranked, then most likely your ACR has broken off of your camshaft and you're going to have to replace it. And this set I got on Amazon, and it comes with the camshaft and the tappets, the crankshaft gasket, which we'll have to replace. Make sure that you drain all the oil in case there's little bits of metal in there, and then also push this gasket to the outside when you're cleaning it, and cover up the rest if you can. And then a valve cover gasket, but I'd already adjusted the valves, so we will see how that goes. All right, easy peasy. I hope you guys have a good time. Oh wait, you know what? The important parts are still in the box. Here, we've got the other oil pump piece right here. It engages between camshaft and the oil pump here that goes to the oil filter. And then we also have the seals here and here. This big seal goes down here. You can see it better if you look from the other side. There. You have to tap that out. And the smaller one goes on the upper side of the crankshaft under the flywheel. All right, y'all have a great day.